Well, there it is, guys, all together. I got to show you because I'm going to tear it back apart one more time. But it's all done. Every detail, brake lines, cables, that is. Show you how that works up here. See. Into the back of the drum. Same on the other side. Same on the front and the back. It's the same 6-inch drums. Double friction brakes on the front. Singles in the back. Every moving joint in the suspension is bushed. And 95% of them are greasable. Here's that rear end. There's the gear shift. See the cables going on either side of it. I'll quickly show you the other side of that. There's the lever, the bottom, and the top coming out from the inside. That battery will power the electric starter and the brake lights, actually. I'll drill all those bolts and add cotter keys to all the castle nuts. Took me a while to find those springs. Those are from our buddy Henry Ford. Here's the top view of some of the linkage there. So on this side, that's the brake. Give you the I had to show somebody before I tear it all apart. Pretty proud of the way that intake turned out. And even that little breather, I like that. Fuel line, as you can see, is connected. That's the throttle return spring through there. You can see how close the clearance is to the fan shroud. I actually had to clearance the fan itself. Anyway, guys, I'm hoping to make a Cyclekart event with this car in a month, maybe 2. There's one every month. So that's what we're going to do. I'll bring you back when she's painted and plated, polished, and looking like a proper Duesenberg. Thanks for following us through this series, guys. If you like what you see, don't forget to like and subscribe. Cheers.